name is Tyreen Peterman, and I'm from Napa, California. I did some research online. I asked a few of my colleagues and friends about contractors that they've used to remodel various projects at their home. So it was definitely about a 6-month research project. I would have to say the other contractors, it was very sterile. It was very, cut and dry, very business, which is fine. I mean, it is what it is. It's a bathroom that I was requesting a quote on, and but they didn't get into my particular focus in terms of my style. How am I going to work here while the construction's going on? So there was definitely no connection. Danny Lebowski from Green Bay showed up here, and it was night and day. The experience meeting with the other contractors for the first time was extremely like night and day experience, which is why I chose to move forward with Green Bay, because Danny was very open. He was very earnest. He was very really wanted to get to know me personal. He was very patient. Just an overall pleasant experience. Like I said, night and day from the other contractors that came here to give a bid on the job. Yeah, so basically it's a guest bathroom. The house was built in the 70s. It was a young family, a doctor. He had 2 or 3 boys. So it was a children's bathroom. So there was cute little tile. I mean, it was fine for the limited time, but it was time to bring it up to date. So that's what I was looking for. I didn't want extravagant finishes. It is a guest bathroom, but I wanted a more modern, contemporary look. Simple, clean lines. I wanted the white, the grays. So I had somewhat of a picture in my mind, but Danny really helped to bring it home. He showed me pictures of other bathrooms that were spot on to the kind of style that I was going for. We immediately connected, so it was really easy. It was night and day. The stress level in my life to get that done and know that it's in good hands. Danny updated me every day if there was any issues. I had an email at night. I had pictures of the progress. Everything was wonderful. I'm in Toronto, I'm in Mexico, I'm all over, and to know peace of mind, because this is my house and my home, and it's very important to me. And Danny took very care of it. The whole team, very respectful, and it's just such a load off of my mind and peace of mind.